Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The biggest problem these days is that we do not get enough protein in our daily diet. If you are looking for affordable plant based protein sources that won't break the bank, you have come to the right place. Let's dive in. First up on our list is lentils. These lentils, powerhouses, pack around 18 grams of protein per cooked cup and they are super affordable. You can use them in soups, salads, or make a delicious dal. Not only are they high in protein, but they are also rich in fiber and essential nutrients. So you can add them in your daily diet easily. Next, we have chickpeas. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas has about 15 grams of protein. They are versatile too. Think hummus, stews, or even roasted chickpeas for a crunchy snack. Plus, chickpeas are great for your digestive health. Also, chickpeas are great for weight loss, mainly because they contain fiber, which makes you feel fuller longer. Tofu or soy products. For those who enjoy soy products, tofu is an excellent choice. It offers around 10 grams of protein per half cup. Tofu can be stir fried, added to soups, or even blended into smoothies for a protein boost. It's also a fantastic source of calcium and iron. Don't forget seeds and nuts. Pumpkin seeds, for example, have about 7 grams of protein per ounce. Nuts like almond and peanuts are also great, though they can be a bit pricier. Seeds are a cost effective way to sprinkle some extra protein onto your meals. Beans, such as black beans and kidney beans, are also top notch. They provide about 15 grams of protein per cooked cup and are incredibly affordable. Beans can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to burritos. And let's not forget about quinoa. Although slightly more expensive than other options, it's still budget friendly and provides 8 grams of complete protein per cup. Plus, it's gluten free and packed with amino acids. So, if you are just looking to incorporate pocket friendly plant based foods into your diet, there are plenty of vegetarian protein sources that can meet your needs. They come with their own set of health benefits and are easier on your wallet.